Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Before we get going with today's video, if you need an opportunity to make some extra income, we have a link in the video description below for Instacart where you can sign up to deliver groceries. After you do your first 125 deliveries in the first 30 days, you're eligible for a sign-up bonus of up to $1,000. It might be $300 or $500 all the way up to $1,000. It just depends on the area that you live in. But I know a lot of you could use a little extra income right now, so if that's you, check out the link in the video description below. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Rideshare Hub channel. I'm Jacob Letman. Really important video coming at you guys today. Huge update on unemployment insurance benefits and what that means for you on whether or not you should be working or not. Big update. Before we get started with that, though, I'd like to give a big round of applause and a thank you to our almost 40,000 subscribers here on the Rideshare Hub channel. You guys are what we make the videos for, and everyone else that's tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, now is a great opportunity to do so. You'll get updates anytime we come out with important new content like this video right here. So, I've mentioned Gridwise before, so has Dylan, so have others here on the Rideshare Hub channel. It's an awesome platform that you can use. Gridwise, you download the app. We'll have a link in the video description below. You can link all of your different gig economy jobs, including Uber, Lyft, DoorDash. What else is there? What else do you do? Uber Eats. All of those, you can link all of those accounts in one place. It'll show you your city, what events are going on, hot spots, the airport, flight schedule, which might not be as important right now, but when things get more back to normal, it is a great one-stop app for all of your gig economy job needs. Anyway, they are also doing a great job reporting on everything that's going on with helping to get gig economy workers help with benefits and to keep us up to date. And they came out with an excellent article. Hats off to Gridwise. The article is answering a question that's come up many times on our channel, and it, on the forefront of my mind, pretty much everybody who's a rideshare driver, and that is, should I still be working while I'm either receiving unemployment benefits or applying for, and it's a mixed bag. Like, yes, maybe, depends on your situation. And now we have even more information. It really depends not only on your situation, but it also depends on what state you are in heavily. And now you will see why. This is why we have a hard time answering questions universally here that pertain to rideshare drivers getting unemployment benefits, because it's so vastly different state by state. And this article that Gridwise put out talks about, it goes over every state law on earning income while receiving unemployment benefits. So the link for this article is in the video description below as well. So click on it, check it out, and you can see your state and what the laws are. To give you an example, unfortunately, here in Arizona, we are the second lowest dollar amount for benefits, for unemployment benefits in the nation. Second lowest. It really sucks. So the maximum benefit here in Arizona is $240 a week, which if you look at some of the other states, it's like $500. Cali is $450 is the max. Anyway, so here in Arizona, right, the maximum benefit that can be earned is $240 a week. Now, here are the laws in Arizona as far as still earning income and receiving unemployment benefits. It can earn $30.50 a week, and then anything over that amount is subtracted from the total amount earned for that week. So, for example, right, if I end up, when I am able to apply for pandemic unemployment assistance, which in Arizona they finally put out a date. It's going to be May 12th, that self-employed people, gig economy workers will be able to finally apply for pandemic unemployment assistance. Now we're at over half the states in the nation are set up to receive those applications, which is good. And that is why this topic becomes so important, because you need to know whether or not you should be working and what the laws are on that. So anyway, I digress, right? So let's say once I do qualify, let's just say I qualify for the maximum amount of $240 a week. Anything over $30.50 will be subtracted from that total. So if I earned $180, then I would be receiving, let's say $180 over the $30.50. So technically $210.50. The first $30.50 I get to keep. The $180 after that, I would have to claim, and that would be subtracted from the $240. So I would end up getting $60 from the state. Now, if I go over that $240 threshold, I am ineligible for benefits for the week. Now, the $600 stipend from the federal government that we can receive as part of pandemic unemployment from March 29th through July 25th, you can't take away from that amount. So that is just, that's like a bonus amount basically, but it doesn't go towards your total. So it's not like I can make money up to $840 a week through that period. Hopefully that makes sense. I know it gets a little confusing. Anyway, and so I want to give you some examples here. So California, the laws with earning income while receiving unemployment benefits. First of all, like I said, you can earn a maximum of $450 a week there. $167 a week is the base rate for self-employed people, gig economy workers. But if you verify your income, you can earn up to that $450 a week. And again, this is just the state pandemic unemployment assistance numbers. So there are two separate payments. The state payment, which would be the up to $450 in Cali, and then there is the separate federal government $600 a week, we'll call it stipend, between the end of March and the end of July. So two different things, but the numbers that I'm giving here pertain only to the state unemployment benefit that is given out, okay? So, Cali, again, $450 max. You can earn $25.99 a week without penalty. If you earn $26 to $99.99, it will be deducted from your benefits. If you earn over $100, 75% of the wages will be deducted from your compensation. Okay, so, interesting. Let's go to Illinois. The max you can earn there is $418 a week. If you earn more than half of your weekly rate, your benefit will be reduced by the amount of money that is over 50% of your wages. I'm not going to interpret all of these or go into them and give examples because it's a lot to explain. But again, I just wanted to put this information out there so you have an article to go to and reference to get your state information so you can figure out your state laws and how much you can be earning before you either become ineligible or lose money by working. And then let's go over New York as well. So in New York, boy, this is a harsh one. You can earn a max of $420 a week. Each hour you work is counted as working a day, and this is for a week. So if you work 1 hour in a day, that counts as working 1 day. If you work 4 days during a week, which would be 4 hours, you lose your benefits for the week. So why is this important to get the information out? Because if you don't know that, and you work more than 4 hours in New York, you're ineligible for all of your unemployment insurance benefits for that week. Again, very different state to state. Check out the article. It'll cover your state. You'll get more information. You can figure out whether or not you should be working, how much you should be working. Now, the really important question, and we don't have the answers on this yet, because I don't know how the checks and balances are going to work for self-employed people, but if the state economy reopens where you live, how are they going to know? How are they going to enforce how much you work, right? They can't mandate that you work 40 hours a week as a self-employed person, even though you potentially could, which would make you then ineligible for unemployment insurance benefits. So I don't know what the checks and balances system is going to be with that, but saying that they don't verify, let's just say that they don't verify how many hours you work. Well, then obviously work the minimum, I would say, if the state unemployment benefits are enough to cover the income that you need for this time period, then why would you give up those benefits? Let's say in New York, right? You make $420 a week plus the $600 stipend from the end of March through the end of July. It's $1,000, $1,020 a week. That's pretty easy. It's much easier to make that sitting on your couch than it is out hustling and driving, that's for sure. And so anyway, we still have more information to come. Important article, though. Check it out. Link in the video description below. Let me know your thoughts on this. And, yeah. What else do I got? I think that's what I got. All right, you guys. I'm Jacob Letman. This is the Rideshare Hub. We'll keep you updated with all of the information that has to do with unemployment insurance benefits and everything that has to do with it. Hit that subscribe button. And until the next time, you guys, stay safe out there.